Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on Honor 200 Pro. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Then click on all services, and now you have to find parental controls and click let's do this. Then click sign in and select Google. Now you have to enter your child's email address. Then click next. And you have to enter password. Then click I agree. And now click accept and click supervise. Then click next. And here you have to enter your email address. Then click next. And you have to enter your password. Now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Then click next. And now click activate. And then scroll down and click next. And now click done. And as you can see, my parental controls are now enabled. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.